pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Singapore Stock Exchange Nifty 50 Index futures indicated 207-point opening jump. After a better-than-expected US inflation report, Asian stocks are higher Thursday. Thursday's holiday closes Japan's market. Wall Street rallied after signs of decelerating US inflation prompted bets that the Fed would raise interest rates more slowly than expected. Inflationary pressures eased in July due to lower gasoline prices, causing the US Consumer Price Index to rise 8.5% year-over-year. Labor Department CPI was flat in July after rising 1.3% in June. After a lackluster session on Wednesday, benchmark indices settled near flat. S&P, BSE Sensex fell 35.78 points, 0.06%, to 58,817.29. The Nifty 50 rose 9.65 points, 0.06%, to 17,534.75. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, bought shares worth 1,061.88 crore on the 10th of August, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers. Follow us. Information is wealth.